Ten Commandments as found in Deuteronomy 5, Common English Bible. Moses called out to all Israel, saying to them, Israel, listen to the regulations and the case laws that I am recounting in your hearing right now. Learn them and carefully do them. 2. The Lord our God made a covenant with us at Mount Horeb. 3. The Lord didn't make this covenant with your ancestors, but with us. All of us who are here and alive right now. 4. The Lord spoke with you face to face on the mountain from the very fire itself. At that time, I was standing between the Lord and you, declaring to you the Lord's word, because you were terrified of the fire and didn't go up to the mountain. The Lord said, 6. I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt, out of the house of slavery. 7. You must have no other gods before me. 8. Do not make an idol for yourself, no form whatsoever. For anything in the sky above or on the earth below or in the waters under the earth. 9. Do not bow down to them or worship them, because I, the Lord your God, am a passionate God. I punish children for their parents' sins, even to the 3rd and 4th generations of those who hate me. 10. But I am loyal and gracious to the 1000th generation of those who love me and keep my commandments. 11. Do not use the Lord your God's name as if it were of no significance. The Lord will not forgive anyone who uses his name that way. 12. Keep the Sabbath day and treat it as holy, exactly as the Lord your God commanded. 13. 6 days you may work and do all your tasks. 14. But the 7th day is a Sabbath to the Lord your God. Don't do any work on it. Not you, your sons or daughters, your male or female servants, your oxen or donkeys, or any of your animals, or the immigrant who is living among you, so that your male and female servants can rest just like you. 15. Remember that you were a slave in Egypt. But the Lord your God brought you out of there with a strong hand and an outstretched arm. That is why the Lord your God commands you to keep the Sabbath day. 16. Honor your father and your mother, exactly as the Lord your God requires, so that your life will be long and so that things will go well for you on the fertile land that the Lord your God is giving you. 17. Do not kill. 18. Do not commit adultery. 19. Do not steal. 20. Do not testify falsely against your neighbor. 21. Do not desire and try to take your neighbor's wife. Do not crave your neighbor's house, field, male or female servant, ox, donkey, or anything else that belongs to your neighbor. 22. Those are the words the Lord spoke to your entire assembly with a loud voice while on the mountain. From the midst of the fire, the cloud and the thick smoke. He added no more. God wrote them on 2 stone tablets, then gave them to me.